just for scale, you know, I'm 5'8.5", 5'9", so Sunday, March 19th. Yes, it's spring tomorrow. Just continue getting ourselves out of this, and we'll probably start chipping away at snow cake. This is all to do with marking territory. Next to tackle is this. So first things first, we got a fecal sample done. Yeah.
Quite a bit of snow.
That's been busy. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's how much snow. That's how much he's cleaned out.
That's how hard the snow is. You can just walk straight across it.
Holy cannoli. I was just walking over the fences yesterday. Or this morning. Look at that. Oh. Yeah, but that's the actual kind of depth of the bank. Holy smokes.
I've been cutting to that side.
Okay.
So the gateway there.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. See that stack there?
Yeah. I'm going to get troughs out for the use. Okay, yeah, this is like a 4 foot fence.
Poles of pipe.
Yeah, the snow loaf. Excellent. Wowzies, look at that.
If you're producing snow, you'd be rich.
Yeah, exactly. It's a bumper crop. Yeah. Holy cannoli. Digging out a buried trough. Not quite all out. Anyway, clean it out and get it out to the ewes so they may have a bit more space each to enjoy their barleys. You probably saw this earlier. I was stepping over that this morning. It's great. Yeah, making progress on this. Next to tackle is this whole area. So we're gonna undo the fence, take down posts in that corner so that we can probably come down here and drive out, push it out into the field. Yeah, and it's the most stunning day. Okay, time for coffee.
Look how much snow had fallen into here. This was the trail and the wind blew it all in. And to dig all that out. And look at the height of that. Yesterday. Astonishing.
So first things first, we got a fecal sample done and came back very negative, like 0 eggs. In discussions with the vet, talking about maybe they've got problems with their teeth or their mouths. They could maybe have fines, boxtail fines in their mouths. Some of them eat a bit funny. They scoop up their barley and you know, chew it a little bit and then swallow it. They're all kind of getting a little bit better. I think they're all pregnant because 2 of them now have miscarried. I'm on my Sunday walk out into the field. Let's get a good view of the landscape and just get an idea of what's been happening around the place. What's interesting is that I'm on a track that the dogs use on their patrols, and I'm up in the area where I've been seeing coyotes traversing east to west. What you see is dog poop and coyote poop. Yay! But it gives you an idea of how close they get to the yard. It's all out here. This is all to do with marking territory. Oh my goodness. Hey boys. Hey Henry. Should we get back to the sheep then? So these are coyote tracks.